Ask me how many laundromats I operate.
How many laundromats?
There you go. 36 laundromats in 3 states. You ran the place. You know it needs equipment. You need to spend $300,000 on washers and dryers or do something else.
Yeah. Have you seen it?
I have. Yeah. I've been in it many times. Yes, sir.
Okay. It's not that I wouldn't be interested in talking with you in regards to that. I have this. When I say this, let me explain. Mm-hmm. 25 years ago, I worked for McDonald's for 30 years. Okay, doing real estate for the corporation, and I used to hear, well, if you don't buy it, Burger King will, that kind of stuff. That's not so. When I say this, don't take it wrong, take it right. If I want to get out of the laundry business because I own it because I own the center, and now I'm 75 years old, and it's my assistants and stuff that used to be in my office now are down in Florida. So I have to be here once in a while more often than I used to. And that's not something I want to do. So it has nothing changed in regards to that. I just, it needs to go to somebody who knows what they're doing. Now, I have one of my tenants that actually two, but one of my tenants that would possibly like to take it over and convert it into something completely different, if that makes sense. Okay. So that is something I want to look at, but why don't you and I chat so I know what you're looking for and at. What's your thought and idea? Let's put it that way.
Ask me how many laundromats I operate.
How many laundromats?
There you go. 36 laundromats in 3 states. So my interest and intrigue is in not converting it to something else. My interest is in the fact that there is infrastructure there. So if we can strike a reasonable rate of rent. Look, Randall, you ran the place. You know it needs equipment. You need to spend $300,000 on washers and dryers or do something else.
You know what I'd do? I'd take a deal and then crawfish and drill that old devil in the ass. How about you, what you do?
I already did it.
I'm interested in renewing it. I don't want to have to buy it from you. I'm not offering key fees. I want to get it out of your hair.
Did you ever see anything like that before?
Hell, I ain't never even heard of anything like that. Nothing.
Hand you a rent check. If that rent is commensurate, if we can start at 80 cents a square foot. You said you did McDonald's real estate, so you know the deal. When you've got somebody that works at McDonald's, they better be 16. You've got somebody that owns a McDonald's, good for them. They went to hamburger college. Now you meet a guy that owns 36 McDonald's. Well, they're still not the Hamburglar because Ray Kroc was the one that was doing the real estate. We all get it, right? And I'm none of those. Yeah. I'm just interested in leasing it, giving you a reasonable and commensurate rent check. If it makes sense, we move forward and we start swinging hammers and spend some money on equipment.
So your proposal would be 80 cents a square foot plus CAM and taxes, I assume.
Of course, I can't change that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let me run something on this and see if that makes sense to me. It's okay.
Good. Do you have my phone number?
Well, if this is it, I do.
It is.
Why don't you just
the only number you need.
All right. Send me a, share me your information. Okay. Just give me your contact information, send a text or whatever for your information, please.
It's not just whatever. What's your email address?
At gmail.com.
Good. I'll send you an email. Let us know.
Perfect. Where are you out of? Because your phone came up as Phoenix.
It's a cell phone, Randy. I have a nice spread out in Phoenix. We are local. It's the only way to do business in the laundry business. So we've
okay. So you're up here.
Correct.
Okay. Great. Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you for your interest and let's just keep chatting here for a little while. Okay.
Anytime.
Let me find out what.
This is the guy that was jumping all over my case like a total lunatic that he knows everything. And I think he's probably on some pills,
Hi.
And now
Possible.
he tells me,
I mean, sir-
I'm 75 and I worked for McDonald's 25 years, 30 years ago.
Last time he went on about a bunch of stuff too.
Yeah, he's not, he probably shouldn't be doing his own negotiating. I offered him $12 and he told me to get stuff. Now I offered him 80 cents and he said, well, I'll think about it. The lowest rate is $21 a square foot, he said. He wanted $23.
Yeah, he wanted 23 last time.
Let's just see, if 80 cents works and he doesn't say no. Wow. He's
Okay.
got a person that wants it, who's one of his other tenants who wants to expand into there. What's next door to it?
He's got, let's see, I have fantasy gifts. So is right next to it. And then there's a bar on the other side of it. So the bar shares a bathroom space with the laundromat.
Oh my God, no. This is a mess. All right, well, I've been charged with doing this, so I'm gonna send him an email and let's call him back in a month and remind him it's been 30 days.
Okay. Hey, Danny, when a unit shares a bathroom space like that, who ends up being responsible
We're not going to do that. There's no planet Earth where we're going to share a bathroom with this guy. No way.
Okay.
It's either a no-go or just because somebody is dumb enough to do something like that doesn't mean that we need to. We're going to say, bro, you need to have an ADA compliant restroom for each space. End of story. We're not going to share a bathroom with a bar. How do you lock it?
Oh.
You don't.
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, there's doors that connect to the bathroom side, and then on the other side of the bathroom, when you're in there, there are doors that will enter from the bar side.
No. All right, goodbye.
Thanks.
Later.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.